What do YouTube? It's your boy Guru. Today we got breakfast, French toast mukbang. We got French toast, honey, peanut butter. We got eggs, hash browns, and pot of rice. You know what I'm saying? I really don't know what I want to start with. I'll probably start with the rice just to get a little nab of it. It's cold. Don't ask me why I left it in the pot. I ain't feel like trying to scrape all the little rice bits out the pot and put into the plate. And as you see, plate already full with all almost, so Um, what y'all doing for the fourth, man? Our people's barbecuing? No man's here. What's one food that y'all either don't like for barbecue or don't like in general? You got water for the bells. What's y'all favorite breakfast food? I'm more of a, it's between waffles and pancakes for me. I either or could really do. If you give me the option, depending on how the pancake look, like it gotta be either a super fluffy pancake or a crispy pancake around the edges. Otherwise, I don't want no thin pancake and no unbuttered pancake. I'm not really a French toast type of guy, but we eating it today, and it ain't that bad. So you know what I'm saying? I got peanut butter and honey on here. Don't ask me why I got peanut butter on it. Just know it's magically delicious.
Magically delicious.
Y'all know what I just thought about? Y'all none. Nobody. No nothing.
If he can't break bread, he fake. I had one more buck on my plate. It was me and bro, we was in the store and both of us got 50 cakes. They say, damn, what the fuck you come up with? How the fuck you come up with that type of shit?
Get your own. Right. Hmm? Yeah, Leroy. I probably like that. Boy, give me some of that French toast. Here I go. Yeah, I'll get first bite of the French toast. Hey, I'm telling y'all, man, that creaminess add an extra little flavor to it. Can't go wrong with it. Using the wrong fork. I don't think it really mattered to them, in my opinion. You don't switch forks. The motherfucker trying to escape. Yeah. Y'all probably want another bite. I'm getting sick of tired of this shit. Food want to run away like this. Come get eight. Mm. I ain't never seen nobody cupping no food like this. Also, another food question. If you like lemonade, what's your favorite type of lemonade? You know, a lot of people like strawberry, regular, blueberry, raspberry. It's all type of lemonades nowadays. What the fuck you be doing here? Y'all win for 4th of July. Y'all taking a picture? Everybody finna have on the American flag fit. Little white, red, and blue. That should be funny. I'm just saying, hey, look, don't let her do. It's almost gone. Yeah. The rice gone, sir. But gone. How far gone? Gone. Get there. Come on. Last bite. Here I go. Perfect piece. Eat that.